Everyday actions. Children, read with me. Run. I run fast. Run. Jump. You jump high. Jump. Walk. We walk slowly. Walk. Play. I play with toys. Play. Stands. She stands tall. Stands. Crawl. I crawl under the tire. Crawl. Climbs. He climbs up. Climbs. Hop. We hop together. Hop. Skip. You skip away. Skip. Creative and playful sentences. Paint. You paint red. Paint. Build. We build blocks. Build. Folds. She folds clothes. Folds. Color. I color pink. Color. Make. We make art. Make. Drink. You drink milk. Drink. Write. I write a letter. Write. Count. I count numbers. Count. Eating and cooking sentences. Eat. I eat rice. Eat. Cook. We cook soup. Cook. Bake. They bake bread. Bake. Steers. She steers eggs. Steers. Chops. He chops fruit. Chops. Taste. I taste honey. Taste. Wash. You wash grapes. Wash. Peel. I peel bananas. Peel. Serve. They serve lunch. Serve. Cleaning and helping sentences. Wash. I wash my hands. Wash. Sweep. You sweep dirt. Sweep. Wipe. I wipe spills. Wipe. Folds. She folds towels. Folds. Wipes. She wipes the table. Wipes. Waters. She waters plants. Waters. Carry. We carry bags. Carry. Picks. He picks trash. Picks. Scrub. I scrub floor. Scrub. Rinse. You rinse cups. Rinse. Help. They help mom. Help. Learning in school sentences. Write.